How to fix Discord, something's going on here on mobile. So you might be in the position where you try to log into your Discord account, but you land on this interface where it says that something's going on here, and you are not being able to log into your account. In this case, what you want to do is first of all head over to your Play Store or an App Store. In the source bar, search for Discord. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once the application has been updated, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your settings. Move into apps. Head over to Discord. And then move into permissions. So right here you need to make sure that you have allowed the permission to all of these options. Once you are done, the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to battery. Over here you need to set the settings to unrestricted. Once it is done, go back and head over to storage and cache. Clear the cache and the storage of this application. While clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application. And it will also fix the issue that you have been facing on Discord. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Discord, something's going on here. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.